one of the most important principles when we dance with the partner is actually a little bit different from what you do solo. So for example, when the girls you dancing solo and you have like diagonal step and you would like to change your direction, of course you need to start turning your shoulders, turning your hip, and then to let the action to happen. Or let's say if you want to do 360, obviously you have to use your shoulders a lot to turn and then move to the next section. But when you dance with the man, this principle will change a lot. So actually, if you dance with the partner, let's maybe move here so we can see it. Like, let's say, if we dance with the partner, you actually don't want to open your shoulder. You want to connect to your partner and let your partner turning your shoulder. In this case, we have much more sense of connection and dancing with each other. So for example, if JJ, you go walk, walk this way, you go walk, 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 walk. And if I would like to turn her, she shouldn't be turning herself here if she's dancing with me. So she would have to actually have a little bit more action and let me turn your shoulders. And if she's passing this way, actually she want to take even the shoulder slightly forward, let me open her shoulders. But if she would happen to do by herself, that will be slightly different technique. If we do this combination by herself, she would have to use correct technique, walk, and actually on this walk, she already have to prepare herself to change her own shoulders to actually be able to dance on time. But with the partner, that idea will slightly change. So if she go walk, walk, she actually can take that shoulder even more forward. So then I can actually open her shoulders. So the ladies, never open shoulders by yourself if you dance with a partner. But when you dance solo, very much. See you in the next lesson.